Hello and welcome back to Think Code and More. So today what we're going to be doing is another ARKit video. So what we're going to be doing today is resetting the position of the nodes that you were replacing. So in the last ARKit video, we placed a node in just one spot and we can't move it anymore. Or we would have to rerun the project. Here, or in today's video, we are going to run the application, add the node, and then reset the scene so the node disappears and add it somewhere else. So let's get to it. So starting off, what we're going to do is actually not create a new Xcode project. Let's take that out. We are going to open up that previous Xcode project which we had made before. So opening up that Xcode tab, test ARKit, and you can go check out my previous video to see how to build all of this, or the first things in building this. So first thing we're going to do is go to our main storyboard and add another button, the reset button. So while it's opening, it's right there. Let's add a button, put it like right there. We'll add constraints to it later. Let's name it reset. Add constraints of 20 and 20, trailing and bottom spacing. And let's add a height and width of 80. Let's add these 4 constraints. Did I do that correctly? Constraints. Okay. Let me try this again. Let's put it aligned to that. And what are this guy's constraints? Height 80, 80. Let's increase this. So 20 and 20. And then this guy, did we change it? 20 and 20. Add 2 constraints. Okay, well, there we go. Let's change the color to, let's say, orange. So you guys can change the color to whatever you guys want. Custom. Let's go with cantaloupe. I don't know if he would say cantaloupe or cantaloupe. I just like saying cantaloupe. Then getting out of that, while this is just quickly loading, it's kind of slow, we are going to go to our view controller. But before going to the view controller, we have to add this button to our view controller. So we're going to open the assistant editor. It's just loading. Assistant editor is opened. Now we can take out the bottom, take out this. And I told you whenever it says manual, go to automatic and then open the actual view controller. Let's hold Control and drag it into our view controller. Let's make sure it's an action. Name it reset, not reseat. Reset and connect. So now, instead of putting all the lines of code inside this IB action, we can just make a function quickly, and inside the function we can add all of the code. So function, let's name it, we'll see, but before actually doing any of that, let's go to our view controller and get here and just look at this at the same time. So we can just go like this. Can we shrink this size? Yes, we can. And let's like move this and put this like this. So our function name can be, let's say, yeah, restart session. And that's what we're going to be doing. So we're going to restart our session so we can add another node. But it's the same node. No return type. Function body. Let's take that. And now we will do self.sceneView.session.pause. So it pauses the session. We're just going to be doing all of that. So self.sceneView.session.pause. Now we're going to do self.sceneView.scene, I'm pretty sure, .root node .en, I kind of forgot how to spell it. Let's see. Enumerate child nodes. Enumerate child nodes. And then we're going to add a curly bracket and a parentheses, curly bracket, and then inside that, parentheses, let's put in over here, and then inside this we're going to do node, comma space, underscore, and then once that is done, we're going to do node dot remove from parent node, remove from parent node, and then we're going to get out of the restart session and put all of that code into our IB action by calling the function inside. So we're going to do self.restart session, self.restart session, and then this is this one, this is this one. Then outside of that, we can add self.sceneView.session.run parentheses configuration. So sceneview.session.run sceneview.session.run. We can make this easier by going like this. Well, It doesn't say it, so configuration self.sceneview.session.run configuration, comma space, options, colon, then inside an array, we're going to do dot reset tracking, and dot remove existing anchors. I'm pretty sure. And let's see what the error is. Self.sceneview. Expected declaration. Let's go to our code here. Aha, so it's inside our restart session. That makes sense. So inside our restart session, now it's all colored so you know that it is being read by the computer. And now that should be it all. So I'm just gonna turn on this, or turn on the phone, and I'm gonna run it. And right now, while it's opening, build succeeded, test ARKit. It's right there, waiting for it to open. This takes about like 30-40 seconds. This always comes up. It's not actually any sort of error. We can put that down, and as you can see, it's a white screen. So we're going to be seeing two buttons. One's the add, one's the reset. So when you click add, it will add the image. So as you can see, there should be an add and a reset button. So I'm going to click add, and you can see the box in the origin because we haven't really changed the points. And then if you click reset, it should take out the box and the origin points. Now let's click add. Wait, it has frozen for a second. I might have to restart this, but let me quickly restart this and see we have an error. So let me do something that will erase the error. Let's go to our vcontroller.swift, climb here, and if you see our code is all correct, let's look here. This is usually where you can see if there's an error. Successful, going down, all of this doesn't really say. It says there's an error. It might just be because of the phone. Let's try running this again. That was extremely quick. Looking at this, loading once again. It might just be the phone problem. So, waiting for it to load. There will be, once again, 2 buttons. So, here, let me just move this. Might be out of camera, but click Add, Reset. Then if click Add, it might just take a while to load. Well, that's just for me, but it will show. And we click Reset. So now I'll put this like this. I think you guys can see. And if I click Add, I'm pretty sure it should show it soon, sooner or later. I kind of just spammed the button and then it just showed up, but it does show up. It's just slow for me, and it was just the phone problem. So let's just get to the end, or the outro. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos about iOS development, game development, ARKit, and a lot more on this channel. So bye.